In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account on Vinted. If you've decided that you no longer want to use your Vinted account, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it without any confusion. This is done from your account settings, and there is also an important confirmation step before the account can actually be removed. First, go to the Vinted website and make sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu where you can access more options related to your profile. From that menu, click on Settings. After that, select Account Settings. This is the section where Vinted keeps the main controls for your account, including the option to remove it permanently. When you arrive on the Account Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. The Delete option is usually placed lower on the page, so if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling until it appears. Once you find it, click Delete My Account. Vinted will then ask you to confirm that your account is ready to be deleted. On this screen, click the option that says you confirm that all your orders are completed. This part is important because platforms like Vinted generally won't let you close an account if there are still active purchases, sales, or unresolved transactions connected to it. After confirming that all your orders are completed, click Delete Account. At this point, your request to delete the account is submitted. Next, go back to the Vinted website. Once you're there, click on your profile area again and choose Log Out. The process shown here returns to the site and logs out through the same top right menu. Then, go to Vinted once more, open that highlighted account menu again, and click Log Out again if needed. This repeated logout action can help make sure the session is fully closed after the deletion request. A good final tip is to make sure you've saved anything important from your account before deleting it, since account removal may limit your access afterward. Also, if the delete option doesn't work right away, double check that there are no pending orders or account issues that still need attention. And that's how to delete your account on Vinted.